Welcome to Rubiana Super Channel! Yay!
Hello. Where are we now?
We are at Torremolinos.
So we've left Torremolinos.
Yep,
and we've come here. Beach is rammed, isn't it? Can you see any spaces to sit down? Not many.
No. And there's lots of water activities. You get pulled behind the boat.
Alright, so we're going to try to find something to do, are we?
Banana boat.
Let's go and have a look. Which way?
She wants to do the banana boat, not me. It's this way.
After you. I like your sparkly hat.
Hello.
Okay, so we found it. Watersports.
Yeah, we're going to do Aqua Rocket.
Aqua Rocket. Which one's that? Show us.
That one.
Oh my goodness, am I coming on that as well?
Yeah. We'll show you on this poster. Isn't it this one?
Oh goodness. You sure?
Yeah.
Looks a bit fast.
Okay, let's go then. Where do we start?
No, the man's going to get
Over here.
There he is there.
Let's get our life jackets on.
and helmet.
And helmets. Safety first.
Oh, it's wet. Daddy, it's cold. The life jacket's cold.
And one for Rubiana.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, it's all wet. It's on my tummy. That's it, mate.
Can't click. All strapped in. Here we go.
Oh, this is like the same one as in Venom Magna, remember?
Yep. Aqua Rocket. This is going to be fun, isn't it?
Yeah. Very.
Aqua Rocket. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh my word. What do you think of this?
Yeah, I'm a bit scared.
What are you a bit scared of?
I don't know, I just want it fast.
That does it. It might be a bit fast. I'll tell him not to go super fast, just a bit fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what we'll do,
Scared of falling off.
and then what we'll do, we'll tell him to take it slowly, and then if we're happy, we'll do a thumbs up. Give a practice thumbs up now.
As soon as that.
Cool. Right, here we go.
Oh god, Betty says she's cold. I hope it isn't.
Is it cold?
It is.
No, it's okay.
freezing.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my goodness, it's freezing. Hey, you can get in
On you get.
Come on, BD. Not messing about you.
Oh, up she goes.
We're not going to fall over, okay?
Okay, we're on. How do we feel, Rubiana?
It's scared.
Bit scared, Sophia.
Yeah! My chin pad's coming off.
Yeah, what's coming off?
Chin pad.
Your helmet.
The chin bit.
Okay, let's give it a little pull for you. That'll be okay.
We've got a shark boat. Daddy,
Oh, we've got a shark boat coming. Here we go.
Daddy!
See you later.
Bye! Bye, Dana!
Gonna strap us up to this boat with a shark on the front of it.
Oh no, a shark's gonna eat us! No, look at the banana boat! Look at the banana.
They've just come back, the banana boat. They all look okay. Look how they've had fun.
Guerrero, al ataque.
Way, there they go. I hope I can hold on to this camera all the way through it. Otherwise, it might be bye-bye GoPro. Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, indeed. Way, way.
Whee!
Two brave girls and one nervous daddy.
Rápido!
Thumbs up.
Rápido!
Hang on. Way! Woo!
Whee!
Smile.
Rubiana!
What do you think?
Great!
Woohoo!
How fast are we going?
We're going woohoo! Wow! the best thing we've ever done. Yeah! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Hang on!
Hanging on as tight as I can!
Hey, good! Oh, it's bumpy, isn't it?
Yeah!
Good?
Yeah!
Shall I give him a thumbs up or thumbs down? Yay! Going around the corner. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Hold on. Yeah. Gonna go around the corner. Hang on. Is this better than the Ferrier?
Yeah!
You did not that bit, no.
That bit wasn't very good. It just like water flashed my face and then a big bump.
This is what?
That bit wasn't very good a few minutes ago. It's just like water in my face and then a big bump.
Yeah, water in your face and a big bump. Hey. What do we think?
Great.
What do you think?
Good.
One of the best things we've done so far, isn't it?
Yeah.
How's your helmet? Okay, Playa Rafa. We've just come off it. What do you think? Give it marks out of 10 for speed.
10. 1,000.
Scariness. Out of 10, how scary was it?
10. 0.
0, good, not scary. Fun, out of 10.
10. 1,000.
And what would you say to people that want to do this?
It's brilliant. If any of you want to do it,
If any of you want to do it, you should. Say bye.
Bye.